So you take it like this. Start recording and we are coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, help me to welcome the founder, the one and only, the founder of Transformation, Gianna, far away from Ghana, a man filled with gold, diamond, cocoa, oil. Hey, I am Father Awa. Papa, we are special. You're welcome. Wow. Wow. Hey, come in the back to become a man. Okay. My test. Papa, you're welcome. And the music Papa is a coach. That's right. Welcome. Welcome. Again, welcome once more. Please. Now, yeah, Papa, I didn't go here.
Transformation. Okay, teach me Dorcas because we are friends. Sister Dorcas, da bena papa ba. Uti ene mi meniaje ese obi bia. Na ye Holland and Belgium but papa ebesina ye Holland for. Uti ne was say ye de ha amamre. Enyoma Holland for epepa e de ma papa. Amaso dru Ghana na obo na manye na. Yen so ye din aba mane bonu mu. Enti papa ye di kan. Holland, yeah, you man, or Mokales. Wow. And no, and I did kind of the welcome to Oka. Now I'm hanging a work transformation office. And every year, you don't say one visit here. Yes, indeed. Hey, who are not just a Holland for ye, Papa. Yet, to sue you, Papa Mensa. Hey, Dutch phone power. So, no one from Pablo will be our car. Let's just a one basketball. It's Papa, we patch your eye. Look where your factories, baby, I could be a motion. Yes. Yeah, Jim, I never said that you'd be a problem. I say, near possible, I want on 4 years, a year, there was one. The whole world, yes, for a year, flowers. Yes, that all colors. Papa, what dear, my a chance here not every far, Holland and Belgium for, and I have to show you. Jelena, it's a chance never. So, photo online, you said, you're free or feel. Yes, and if so, I need your flowers in Papa. It's you, yet I want to be brave. Say, what I can say, and you make all show.
Treasure Darcy, why are dear? But my smoke a credit. We didn't want to buy you. Ladies and gentlemen, me papa no me mama no. Ebem say, Nanebo, yeah, Papa, what we do. And then, we say that quality IFR. Now, and then you may be as soon as you may be a so. That shouldn't be much. Say the bigger can be cow the cheek and then be cow the new. Yeah, when you try hot seat, you sleep here. And then now you pay you be speaking. I declare when the movie around and they wish you were so. Answer one call. You know, set more ready. Mummy, why some cracker? I can't now, the chair, the second, a time to introduce our leaders. Now you expect some leaders be from afar. I'm going to counsel or mobile. But leaders and what have more transformation volunteer Belgium. The Sunday you with the action. So we share Papa Sani Faswa. Papa be at Washer Africa Tar or Chelsea of Ghana and Kasa. Only a chairman. Me more and some a chairman. Osman. Yes. Apart from the Suso Bar about Sabako. Gentle. No. Oh no. Osman. Na Usha Papa Sani Faso Paya. You will Papa Bia and so offer what he said. Now what you say the woman which ate in Sunday. On yet Papa Keke, name a elder ye know. Groba say only a corner swinging. Nanyakupa and Dom Omshemuno in the Yibako, Belgium, Holland. Into Papa Emmanuel, stroke Eda Emmanuel. Wonderful. Okasa was a wisdom maker. And say, Papa and make action. Oba will be dead. Who's actually selling for Swa? Yea, Mamiko Kobe, Nicola, Coco, and then the Washington to a brighten more. Yet, they treasure, Bakupe, Mammy Docas. Sasu na war, yes, Sister Bako. So, if you hire fair, colors, the day of the colors, bright, waha, only give my coach. In fact, she and me only give my coach. You may come only give my coach. You can't organizer, you know. Mammy Philo, them say, what more you want a crowd with your or shame me in the asso. Enter or buy, you be natural. Nah. You couldn't even know you will be a church or some tuning or church here. On one sort of a casapa. Push up from this one, be able to become a rental. I feel say Kingsley. Now, our heavy or Papa Secretary or say Kingsley. Tell me the winning with that. And I'm saying, it's any other for them. Me can't manage a tinty baby. Yamasi in the book. This is the serious time. And now to say, he take us a money, na my papa. Na, baby, you will be Papa, here soon. Jaja, Oma said, Oma, you're ready. A year crab. Say, you beat you.
Okay. Transformations. Transformations. Transformations.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
I don't know what to say. I'm so happy. I am many people saying, I'm my acquaintance and this will have the camera. Eddie Kaino, Madam Massey. I'm so pleased and so grateful. I'm paying for my community, or more about Jamaica, and I'm so many brain and mother. So, and then, we'll be out with me by before I'll be free, and you'll be very happy that you're able to make it. Because when in Paris said, Dodona, Hifea, so Benjamin phone, so that is so difficult. The medical on my child. Say be our premier, and when you're me, and your boy. A human essence. And I mean, I'm just only one person, and it's really not easy. But if you say, yeah, try your best, even though your best is not enough, yeah, but one fine check, say be our try our friend, and when you're me, now what the attorney said, and me and pick your call. Anything they go here and say about Bribia Chum, like I say about, but unfortunately, being intelligent to me. So I think that is the first time Yamama can say Yambrana anymore and Bekasa. You called Berlin. We had a very wonderful reception. It was beautiful. But I tell you, I'm loving this environment. I'm really loving this place. And the Yakobayan said, maybe some official duty, so I have only a few days. Yakobon Koya, the Mawachina, and I'm free alcohol, Air France. It's one day, and then a day I come see air shopping. We are going to shopping, and I'm saying, no, let me use that day, not in fact, no share. They're going to go pen and require him to measure up. And the best of 1 week in Ango, where we are, 10 years, I'm going to be a visit in wow. But still now, we are now 100. They didn't come over here. Because I know so many of you want to have me one-on-one, any discussion, let me be as a can't travel. Maybe I've been a show, I've been a personal private. Let me discuss it. You're very sad. Now, before saying that to us, some people say, I don't buy it, you don't I am on buy. But saying I recited the universal prayer, it's all universal prayer, no phones were not way. A very important prayer because by bar we pray to invoke positive energy from nature. Saying I go on Casano, we are sending the Diano. Omboy and I intiminia to me. They have to know me. So we will prayer no phones were no way. The everybody together. So can I say, oh, adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. Thou art Sakshit Ananda, existence, consciousness, and absolute bliss. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, and devotion. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptation and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, hatred, anger, and jealousy. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold thee in all thy holy names. Let us serve thee in these holy names. Let us ever remember thee. Let us sing thy glory. Let thy holy names ever be on our lips, and let us abide in thee forever and ever. Amen. Baba Chombetinia and Atranasi. And it is said, baby, I am a mechanic. Transformation, no, and sorry. Transformation, no, yet say any other group, or Facebook, and any of the social media platform. The first one, I can't home with the things. Now, the transformation, as from Connie said, you deal with all the dimensions in life. To say, about Honamua, you see, the Honamutin, Zimbia, say, Pampen, so you're a bit in your Bobrana, so you're meaning. And then you hear him say, Dana, somebody. What happened within dreams, you know, many of us don't understand. Because it happens on the subtle or metaphysical platform. We try to learn things relating to that platform as well. And a deal no, a basun sumua, young of fighter, any young upon them, any young upon them, and it's yes, young one. And if you are sorry, be a woko, it could be a woman, obey to me, akum, asumunyami open. Name and actually transformation, and guide you, never yam easy. It's always a Christonia. After obey you, is a so many because back here say, I did be a baby, I do be chat. Even though before knowing him says, you, the Obeguna be chat. But in Tiasia, no, and you're very deep. But they say, no, you have a senior karma, I can say, I did be a baby, I do be chat. Said be our children, a beba, or Chinachi, Bosunate, and Fiatino, one person that would be a one of the chat. To be a Christian, you know, not tears, say, yeah. About Christian, someone ever be more serious. Sansa now we can money. Now your money say, hey, I did be a may and instance of me and a Baba Miswa. Obey very careful. Now, some poem pass or imponua. A bad guy don't want my idea. A person and go point. Until the transformation. Now, and then I remember say, make us a baby, maybe a talkative, good jammy, make us are the actions. So normally, she has here. A young per se, Obi a pine, now Ubisa Semahan. And into I have something special I may call Belling the Tray. And it's something that all my dreams say, and that's what your victory. That was said before you wish I counseling. I have something to teach the women, and I have something to teach the men. I'll do that today. This is a very special thing. I will to me I'm at moment of and so you give me be at the tail end of our discussion, and no any very tool. But you see, I gave you I can't say be the woman. Me interview be more and answer okay me program be and every one thing say be as so will be sir and then the men through and your phone so now be friend and I'm here. So you just gather that courage and ask our question to be a child wagon. Question be anywhere very offensive. Question be how be sir. In fact, baby I'm a messon. You were a principal back on the say nipa nyina adwen your pet. And until you go your chance in a preaching, your map will be behind Mr. Wasson. Said the I want some more kind, one baby and 3 years, one cast of your brain of my teacher me. And until when Penny said, well, daddy, no, I'm the tired part of patience. Could be some question, a moment because I'm a pain, my mate, and sending. There are many things when I'm speaking I don't talk about because they are very deep. But who be some before one? Then I know that people want to know. And that gives me the opportunity to explain more. Timber said, Obibiana, the beach of arguing, Obibiana, what question, you know, beside. Unfortunately, your internet is good, it's working, no breaking. So, those who are watching us can also watch us online. And it will answer the questions go as well. Now, my can, my year. And it's Madam Master, but you're very missing to know. If you have questions, so not 3 at the go, I will answer and give the microphone to other members. Thank you.
You are for Papa be pronoun. Papa, maybe some first question. But your question is if I'm saying, what should I give na escape kakra? Okay. It's about a guardian angel. So, it as I said, would be our guardian angel, maybe from right from the bed. The person, upon bed soon, I'll wait to me no guardian angel, Akasa. Wait me communication with that guardian angel. And also, person who knows what upon bed of the first one will be who. But your question.
Thank you. Another one.
Madam, but we are in church, but I said, we real kakra. I am not mean some keep coming, especially in the left one.
But what last one?
Pastor, me kasa na say preachings and teachings na. To the day of sister, also Diana would tour, and yet Uncle Bitting at you, kakra me. And a quiet say fast.
Yeah, so you have 3 questions. The member said, my answer. And it's also a question we have to now. I have said, you drew her now. And the first question is, how do you communicate with your guardian angel and how do you see him or them? You cast a guardian angel, Obi bia no esisa wote ase ese Nyankopon na obo won wanja obi bia janka. Nobody is an orphan when it comes to God. It's the very day who peer through my mere assassination. There is a divine force that comes along with you. It's a divine force known from say guardian angel. Lady Anne say obe guide obi obeku bia no di wachi. But ultimately, everybody to me and impose anything on you. By the end, they say, "Obeka be na obefa." I say, "What's your guardian angel? A team will make good decisions in life." Say, "Na one person ya idea. Bibi se kwa ye, bibi se menye." Now, most of a thin voice, kind of voice, is so we make it. But many times, you know, you take an opportunity, you know, in so that thin voice now, I so men conquer yana, star voice in the Mubako, a guardian angel. And into the guardian angel, they say, Yango Pona or Paul Bass, I see so no, and our more suburbs from Paul, come home, or go beyond the number. Now, guardian angel will be with you until the day will be with us as we swear. As far as what you are saying, the guardian angel is always with you. Now, the question is, how do you communicate with them or how do you see them? You see, they are very divine beings. And the CIA, can say, a form way. Why we no be the graph from our bed because I is so neat and clean. Oh, you don't see anything here, but to see a profile microscope, you'll be shocked, sir, from my body when I James. But, and you saw a castle, James Waha, you won't believe it because none of that can see any James there. But see, electronic microscope, see, are those who very tiny microscopes, Waha, you'll be shocked. So, Honamum Polo, he has some kind of qualification to see those minute substances. Then it means if we want to see metaphysical phenomena, it means we need some kind of qualifications. So like I'm saying, you know, the guardian angels are very, very righteous and divine beings. And if they any interaction with them, first thing is we need to start acting in a way a bit to be attracting those beings into our lives. Even though they are there. But the qualifications say, I say to down so in a way a bit to be attractive your presence. Already subtly you assume so men kofoka and menfo koya the men we hear all these things. Many of us are taking it serious. But we are not very sensitive to those kind of metaphysical energy, you know. Obeho say ade we ade ameya ebeboa me and emboa me. Normally if it be intuition. Intuition don't know your guardian angel and this information never means so I do we 200 and so we all have our guardian angels, but for us to be able to communicate with them the same way as tiny substance I say we use a microscope means that you need a qualification to see them. For you to be able to communicate or see your guardian angel, you need some qualification. And you be you can't choose to eat everything you want and expect that you can see spiritual things. No. And you have to be a very principled person. Principle in the sense that no. So some of us we are very disciplined. Very, very disciplined. Discipline in the sense that you can't just wake up and eat anytime you want. You can't stand up and do anything you want and still expect to get the same result. No. We have to be very principled. When we're even married, in married life, you have to know, say, you have to, you see, that's wrong, but that's the truth. We have to regulate everything we do. We have to be principled. We have to be very conscious. And he said, at times, they said, "Bia, obviously, I'm not papa." And I said, "Why I'm dreaming of your papa on your papa because we're a bad person." So most of your papa means one time dream of them, but papa answer. But we have to develop to a point to say, "Me, I don't put your book with sorry, the other say papa." So when you begin to live a conscious life this way, now you develop finer energies, which will attract said divine beings. A bit to me, a new home, a bit to me more communicating. But I am telling you, when you story, it is something that is there. An angel that guides you, so you should be able to communicate with them. Like most of us, or be house of the 2 million, and yet in the what we do is that we try to restrict them from doing some bad things or then that helps them to link themselves to their guardian angel. The guardian angel guides them and then they come together with that zero number between me. It is not power, it is your own guardian angel who is guiding you. What do I say? So, and they are guiding us until the day we leave this world. So, it is our right to claim their presence. But we should do that by we qualifying ourselves, say, to me, and invite Omo na yetini ehu omo yetini omakasa. When you do it is there. It is really there. So we have to go ahead and then qualify ourselves a bit in the gardening and communicating. It is a beautiful thing. I tell you, it is sweet. Can you just imagine say, anyway, you must say that. But it's a very beautiful thing if you can communicate with this supernatural being. It is beautiful. It is sweet. It is nice. A bad guy do won't hear some mistake anyhow. But don't forget, the guardian angel will never impose anything. They will suggest to you. Okay. Now you have to use your free will to see whether you take that suggestion or not. They will still be with you. But at the end of the day, if there's any suffering or any enjoyment, you have to face them alone. But the guardian angel is a divine being, and if you're able to follow their instructions and their guidance, it ends well with you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And now, number 2, no say, all the time. There were so many ways in Yanko Pomfasuni Bakasa. So many ways. The first one is the act of prophecy. Say Yanko Pom Efa will be so Asha Unkom. But unfortunately, I saw for the income channel by here, you will be say, Mention Unkomana, Mention Unkomana. No. A day Yanko Pompas or Kanfa will be one or Kanchero. The Yanko Pom can be young for Bion Chawa, wouldn't be say the Banunko. Unless there were any practice being away. So the one way Nangopon and Kasa a true prophecy. The Nangopon can be built for people who enter the war. You cannot tell the person say, Mensha will come and ask a man. No. And Yambeka say, as soon as I deal with you, when any member. Then one way Nangopon have peace, you can speak about it. So first one is true prophecy. The second one is true vision. Vision is a minute to a now if we have it. No one jump on our Kutia with your low. First, I cannot hear when I'm sorry, but my home was sorry. It means that in the next few seconds or minutes, over so to be our father, but you. What happened? I saw is the idea is a vision. So, Mr. Please don't go there. You might not understand because what you want, but I have seen say in the next few seconds, minutes, maybe I will pay better for my house or fact or come from a that's vision. Okay? And a vision is so hard. Say about banana actually what the meaning. And it's about the Cornelius story, no? Yes, Peter. When your vision say and Nambia like a check. Then you go on Peter, come Peter said, no, me and Judy. And now I watch me proclaiming and going about and one thing to me. And I was in a war, I didn't mean I go for Matheson. Matheson, who you when I was here, I wanted. Peter and I come back 3 good times. Peter and D. So the next morning, now there was a be on a Gentile and here I found the Cornelius on Monia Jew for. And I go for one small be a and say, call Peter one uncle Boss. I say, now me and me yama my money. Make up Peter Jew, you are many on Monte Munga sample. So how do I go? Then I go for the big court, the medical have Peter Manetta. So Peter had a vision said, and now I want to miss your own community. And when so the next morning now, said Gentile, Peter. So when they got there, he was about explaining, saying, Yanko Pon sent me around, no man got then Yanko Pon then educate Yachel. So it means that Namana nice own communino, a Nama a haunting. And at that time, Jew for who Gentile for so on who and take. Then Yanko Pon said, now we are when I mean, Nama say what and what they wanted. So Yanko Pon said, Gentile for a haunting. Oh, many who are you as a Jew to say the morning? Does you make a sign and you're made a yacht? So visions be over and by the way, I win him. It's only your own more which made him and teach him. So prophecy and true visions too. Yes, I will dreams. Dreams is say what I won't pass so I will groom while I answer them. No one will say, oh, Ghana, who groom my area, oh, yeah, from her to Ghana more than 6-7 hours. So to play home back. But what I within 2 hours, what who must have walked more. Some pass who do I mean, who Ghana no. So now one day or by being a Bema be there. I dear vegetables and then what Harry masters and pop Bema no die. So who play like a better to bear 8 hours. But within 3 hours, within less than an hour, and they see it. So I'm passing the BBC here now. And so now be and see, I also almost have a bunch master. So it means that the thing was actually happening. Until the baby see what I am in Yame and I can actually our comfort for. There were different kind of dreams. Different kind of dreams will come there. And now your Bible so your friend said the signs of omens. And your Bible friend said predictions and a forecast. Forecast and prediction here based on the position of the stars. You know, they say Abrofono, say Mohaya Omotum Pomway, since you better, I make since you better from this time to that time, and by better. Because Omasma said like I was so when in the position of the clouds are I just in you better this area. Say FKBC will be and the signs will tell you say FKBC will have. And truly it's going to happen because they have the satellite and near detecting some information here. Bring me an aside in this year, FKBC maybe in the next 24 hours. So in forecast and in prediction, we study the planets and their positions, and we can tell them, say, in your life, are they winning, are they winning at this point, and truly it happens. So they all can hear the signs of omens. You might think so, one and I tell you there's a meaning. So move to Benkum, they could define what they check, or move Benkum, they could define what they check. A woman also when somebody as a victim say, oh, who they could get. And I was when you were a people. And I was when a victim, and I'm now on a couple from back, now on a found. When Sabenkum Kikau, the form of Kikau, then you know what they check. So when it comes to Kikayana, almost I want to left to Mukikau all the time, it's a sign of an impending calamity. I did be about this year any. But also when study from Nekikawa, it is a sign of an impending opportunity. I did be when you may have very good. It's almost I was Mukikau all the day left in my one meeting be a music as a problem. So it's a sign of omen. It's a very deep sign. You won't cry. Special animals will be at that time, you know, actually be and it's not about as it is. It is another science. I mean, normal science don't know anything about it, the metaphysical science. A very, very deep one. It's a whole driver. Now I never say about it for Kramine. It's a prepo, and then a cheap black across from start right to left in 100 meters away. Within less than an hour being accident. No two ways about it. One Amazon said, you want to copper to be that crew no almost 2 hours right, no more collect all the time. We've been I tell you, you'll be disappointed. These are very serious and deep metaphysical science that ordinary science cannot explain, but they are real. In ancient times, when people are going for battle, they will study the omens to depict whether they will win or they will lose. So when in battle now, the omens will tell you that you're going to win or lose eventually. So it is a science. It's also now some can run for. They kept saying the firm one is a sign of positivity, the different one is a sign of negativity. Then dreams of flying in the air. They can say, Yankopon will find pure person here, Kasa, and move up air dreams. Also, the announce the word to Namsura is a sign of problems, obstacles. A year of which they say, also the word to air. Because but the question is, when you're man, did they count you 2 years? They could then count out 2 years. No, sadly, a problem about life, man, is difficult. What is it? They also then go to see about you for almost 1 brother year, man. Mukrum, Mumra, you about me what? When you cross a red light, I can within 2 weeks, no, maybe email me say, what they got. What? Your laws. So in the kingdom of the witches and wizards, no, there's a law said before said obey your will be no. As a within 14 days. So 14 days independent to one movie and you have every right to do what you want to do. And one of them Kaibon air Diane said also then go to Namso. So what I saw I know what to you mark it and see. I can within 2 to 3 weeks, obey a big mess. And then also the would be another sign. Also the now will be pambo, 3 special animals. One's an impure pambo, one's or cramine pound as a praco pambo, I didn't know what they check. Also the now very in fear, another one. Then also Diana will be no with that. So if I did. So that I knew also movie Biana is a sign that you're one guy. So also the now to I never very good. Even though as of be our money, we are becoming also very good because now I didn't have pam 2 years, 2 years. What it tells you is that then the cow will 2 in the first place. The container cow out 2 years, no your problem ever. So you should be careful. So yes, it means that there's going to be a problem. That's the first thing you need to understand. For you to be able to fly, I went down to mind say, I did back a back count why I did be and you would normal to the way. So it's a sign of difficulty impending. So also they know to rough up, be very careful and you're very good. So answer that by you 3 levels. The 10th level no you'll be away the ignorant which of visa. We need to have before. Maybe any see what I want to also the BBR. Now you will pay as now you know, sir. Near Namia, or so the animal too, or so the near. Many of them are when that dreams to know a year, they don't even know. Because it happens in ignorance and they are not even aware. Okay? So also they know to empathy, and you're very good. It's a sign of an impending obstacle or problem, and you need to pay attention. Thank you.
Let's step back and say, Ubisa question, I'll sorry, what would be first? Now, you won't Pabaya, quite as I be okay.
Hello, then. What's your family, Linda? Now, me say, and maybe we in church be saying, yeah, will be one reincarnation. Now, or you need Babon to obey your sin. Yeah, I never be praying to me happy now until I see. May you nipa bia. May your papa na real bonny. May drum with me chef you know soon. Say I didn't know may your papa na baby me woman fa papa and the resource papa. The Diana still na me continue na me. In fact, my question is the same.
Transformations. We transform ourselves to transform people. That is, maybe so. Yeah, from an opera. Transformation essence. Now, about pendant. What's it? Say, Obi you so we are. And also not some negative way. We are often punching so not from toilet. Say the independent refi not or two good keke. And I say the original kitchen or the goose are sinking my dinner. And I think so sa pendant na also a cover beer negative way one na absorb and I'm never was on I absorb. No person.
Transformations. That impacts the friend Ahmed. Yeah. Now my question is about dreams. Now, Mama Yati has said dream biana in the power of Biano. I say, I find it serious. The dream biana is also a secret. And the dream biana is also one punch. Now, my question is, I didn't know. I think you can't a lot about dreams on online. In the idea that I'm on tray, one punch, you have this high dream now. You beat me, I have one punch, and you solve a solution to that dream. Because, for example, my dream, I'm saying, my for 6-7 months. Me, I'm just such dreams to the side. So I got to me and got to me, you can go back and come to me.
Yeah, thank you. The first one, Bribiano, Obey Papa San, what in with them, we are born in the Mitioka, and I can be said, normally people have passed in any experiences. Yeah, thank you very much for this very important questions. When you were asking, I was very emotional because I know many of us we go through that. But there's always one thing we need to understand. And it said, God is not partial. Nyankopon endo bi and on time. Say Nyankopon to me, then Nyankopon you're all compassionate. Then Nyankopon him ne any muchina any da pemwa. The BNC Nyankopon. Me say Nyame ni ne any muchina any da pem. Nyame wade nyina so to me. Na Nyankopon so nya partial or do be apa. Then the BB anyway be see what Nyankopon only. And I will always tell you, say, I know, God knows. And you know, at the end, it will never come to us. Name when it is coming to us, you know, your reaction is very important. You see, I always advise people, say, so people are someone. Very painful. But also reacting our body be pet. If you are born as soon as you are near Patai, or China, you know, she will be anywhere. I want to know better at one. But on your was soon pine. As in your way, may that show. A bayer day pass of a cost was your soon view, and I change with your baby or best was soon view. The Jenny said, action, Diana will be taken. There will be a corresponding reaction. Did the American Messiah say? A bad day is over who will be a ton tomatoes were 1 tier. 2 months ago, now will be India tomatoes. So, of course, supermarket now say a ton pineapple or what? What it will tell you, say, some few months ago, will be Dia, Abrobe. Anything that Abrobe, so my ton will be out there. And it is okay who are when you say yes, obi diablo. Sanction are going to be diablo. Something will tell you so after 2-3 months time, you know. Sabro will be a binyam will be as well. And it's an abrabu piana here upon is insane. The instance for the baba. Sanction and I'm saying to so in the air by a student. It means that there was something we did some time ago. But it's very unfortunate say and you'll be behind the back. It's only what happened before you are facing this. But so what did you Nyankopon say Nyankopon and time? Now there's Nyankopon to me a wadi in answer. And the Nyankopon would eliminate the mutina in that man. Say maybe to one way beside say God, they ain't in a deal with atomy. Meaning so when him said the say but to me atomy. Meaning say what to me wadi in answer. And I mean say oh no and I won't time. So I do wait too many days. There must be a reason behind. See, as you see me, so because I become experience, say amophobia in my own little way. Then at the end of the day, all said within actually be I won't believe it. But when he said, Emma Mayette, Emma Missia and deal say as I say we so and you had it. There's a place we have to go at the end of the day. The immediately say, me never buy it. Because at times you will do baby, no copy. Now, won't you be a more but Papa be away a microphone, it will save you at that time. Check, Bisa. My mom is a very good religious person. I remember very well every day, or yeah, Diana, or yeah, Manabroso. Or say another, or say, we need the air, who will be in Yaba. And Pao Pina or Bar. Now be a may go to cry out, Wabaka, you go be the car, say, the big, any president, no ability. No ability. A young can I high and so, Adriana answer you didn't on the common before. What's the shame? Papa, may a monk for you. Dan come and move to cry. Now, one. When you go on, there be a monk for you, only people. My mom used to say that. And truly, the real school of Indian telephone took to buy me. You won't believe, say, the local situation, we move by a very terrible situation. From nowhere, we get solution. The people make I said, I make them. Say, Papa, may I my way. Mokoba, Binamu, one, and go on, Gina, truly it's working. Anything of Papa, I will. I'm not for them, but God is saying it. Obey sound that say, hey, you will be a husband. I'm not the same with you, but be a mechanic and I also. As I need an own to run and say, or a person of my own to be mad. So, Papa Ben, why I says anybody I want one or the other or no, at the be a making, or be by a changing the kidney, or be I saw a come to put them. See, your Papa, at times people will not see it, but nature sees that. Now, my young guys say, the Empire son, you deserve one came back. I'll be your soul. Name and no, we will go on and do the good things. Even though nobody will appreciate it, we will do it because one day, God is going to descend when we need Him. The message, say we have Papa Man, Prophet Mon Kanye, but in that time, go ahead and do it, Papa way. At times, old driver, would be a mistake, be accident in sick. The same mistake in our will be when you have to know we. At times, you bet me a be. Now, when you are the no one you do any man I want to. The same secret as new movie. So, Mamma, you say, Papa, and Yango Boy, God is seeing it. First thing, we deserve it. So, yes, God, thank you for giving me this. But still give me the strength to be able to stand it. In my where I worship, your policy, yes, say. So, I did be boss now, you need someone. They all continue and go on and go on. May they believe me. Papa Ben, am I here to deserve these good things? Thank you. Sana money to what? Because I am going to be born in my youth. As I think I'm a pressing sick. But I'm so dominant. Some a bread and what is so said they am complimenting me. I didn't assume number one. So when you say, yeah, such a tronic can be a seer, young pastor, you will do that. At times, oh, baby. Yes, I can't know why you late 1 minute. Yeah, man, foul. No, wolf. Papa, maybe I want you to be by the city and go for you if it's okay. And I said, maybe I'm be by more and crying all pussy. The home media, no, it will talk to do around. I'll bet me, I could get it to all. It's a pass if you go more by. Now I catch him in the baby and so I hear just sitting your mom. Anything occurring a couple 2 years ago, but unfortunately, occurring a bass and a cock. Now, I need to go food. Now, when I was a kid, bass number here can I call. Whatever happens, happen for a reason. Do you know how much one for bass? Your office has spent a little. You don't have to spend a hope, master of food. All cry, you want to go to questions. I'll be a pin of phone and shaman. No, such a I think, or say, pass the family for a shaman. Now, you see, first of all, against my money, God was saving you from a situation of calamity. The messenger. Adeɛ bia na ɛto yɛ nya abotre because nyango pɔnim ɔwɔ tumi ɛna on time nti de kɔdeɛ na ɛto yɛ no sɛ nyango pɔn pa ɛni bia na ato yɛ a yɛn ba te dɛm nyango pɔn ate bɛdaase ɛna mɛbra ma akosina wo bisa bibi about the pendant. You see, pendant no yɛ ka sɛ pendant and what is pendant? There is a story behind the pendant. Pendant no yɛ something like bibi a palm eagle falls. Already actually be about how to prepare with the idea about soap, the idea about oil and some things that it's important by eagle forces. But with the pendant, you know, is a special thing. I know people are pendant and they get cars, then the cars get crushed and they find themselves standing outside. Me and Kasa cannot explain what happened. Personally, as I'm speaking with you, what is inside the pendant, I don't know. And I know that it's divine. It's a long story, but I'm interested in it here. There was a very powerful king. Now your friend here, Yankashipu. Dangerous. It's all by a modern what they has a wine now, or hang, and I will be a OC, so I will be on my enemy, and I very dangerous partner, and give back never with you. Anyway, Hitler, no what? Yes. Hitler marked 1/4 of how demonic Hirangashipu was. He was dangerous. Hirangashipu became so powerful that even the angels were afraid of him. He was really powerful, and he used his power to torment the children of God. But something mysterious happened. The wife got pregnant. The demigods, they were afraid. Said, this king is so powerful. Or something will come one. I acquire double salansa. Sadia young for crime so. Then you come the banner one. Said the Baya Brandon the company of Babana or Montomentia. The demigods are so powerful, they tried everything to kill the baby in the womb. They couldn't. So what they decided is said, that time, no. Those days, they will move on forest to go and do meditation to get more powers. Or Henoko forest that obey meditation. They are guards, the demigods went there, they killed all the guards, and they abducted the woman. And in those days, you cannot kill a pregnant woman. So what they did is that you better fight the Napa to see or the banner be a kuma. If you cannot kill the baby in the womb, you will kill the baby, say your own. There's one stately person, you find the money. I know whom demigods carry the wife of the demon. I said, I don't know. I see this woman is the wife of this demon. Already on one boy in demon content, and I guess I am coming. Because I walk one, I bet two trouble, one go. Anything you say, your body was seeing as or what, we will take charge of that baby. And at this stately person, they said, I'm one of they think they must have a demon, no, you're a bad person. I'm a very demon. And you super born here, and a way demon. The most almost we get demigods and we divine. I'm a what you be around with an echo, and so we have better than that demon in them. Share more chili or 10 of them with the number exit. The more power will go about me. So, kind of Tasum, to Mujay or Banam as a holy man, not in a hermitic, but you are not. So, every morning, or control ban on your name, not all kind of trust of Shuma Bagwata or recited the Quran like that for the whole 9 months. So the baby was in the womb and he was hearing the word of God every day. The Awakran, even though Papa a demon, they might be a demon, but Akran was a holy person. So the Cocoba and say, or compare the banner or Montitino, Dan Kwamanabe or Henny. Not only a very powerful demon. But now, when the seed for them, I say, Yamusuntino, Akrano was not listening to all the teachings of the demon race. See, we do point to say, Omoko school, and I might have a step to be a seer, and a school ones will let young Kodan go by and Kenyan go on answer Yakusiani. The Omoko will go to a statue with him. Say, young one, but not say, by your vampire, as a vampire man, Yakopo. Now, wait for them, Papa, almost a No, my father is not God. My father is just my father, he's not God. I'm going to say, no, Papa, you when you go by Yankopon, because no, Yankopon, you're back up. Like I mean, yes, I still have to do Yankopon. So, still an uncle and Tiasi, and a small boy of 7 years, or Kupu, do a big branch be. And not even 12 fair. So, most of the Papa in Yammy, I'm so Yankopon. So, in Yamedia, it means all the Bobby be almost the end. Sadia Momon by Yankin, not on my baby at the end of Bubu. And when I go here, baby, come to free. So, Mukran say yes, or in Yamin started praying, oh, dear, Yerangashipu, you are the supreme God, please. Masadi, you cook here, baby, or Banibu free. Or more bonfire, still nothing is moving. But you see, he's not God, he can't do anything. I know Sinango Ponso with me. For these children to know so in Yamin, my dear, you cook here, baby, and Pana who couldn't put your back. So now the children had faith in this small boy, said, on a kind of Korean, the teacher for and to Moko school, take a funny change to be a how I'll bet me a monk of all my children because demons want to punish people. Omoko break and I cannot children something else. Saying I may back, I saw one more than not be idea telling like that. So it got to a point, Ukraine was schooling in another be idea. So the teacher went to go and report this boy to the father, said, Obama is actually spoiling the mind of the demons. The actual one or something else. So the father wanted to test the boy and he said, when in Yangopo? Apparently, Yangopo will be obliged to me and yes, will be a soon. I didn't national say. So the father was happy, thinking because that time all the angels were afraid of him, all the demigods, everybody was afraid of him. So come to me and not be any say, hey, or no, but I cannot say what is the name of that person. Or say his name is Kubinda. God Almighty, one and one. But say, yeah. Now, who you manima, who put your before you? If that's the case from today onwards, you are no more my son. You are my enemy. And the father tried to kill this 7-year-old boy by doing everything possible. This boy will not die. Now, if you know, you want to be the poison, you make me 10,000 elephants. Here they boom. Now, I'm going to pay you when you know. You are telling them to Adum. At the end of the day, the whole thing will turn to flowers. It's a long story. Mine not try, and try to a point. Say, about say, one was a wine and go whole by. Because he knows that all the demigods are afraid of him. All the angels cannot come close to him. So who is that personality behind that? All God, man. Show me that God. I will kill him. And after killing him, I will come to you. And I can say, oh, he's everywhere. Oh, so they were in a palace and there was a very big pillar there. And I was saying, that pillar was so Yami woman. I was saying, yeah, God is there. He's there. He's in the trees, everything. Why not put the weapon? So let me kill that God first. And when I'm through with him, you'll be next. And truly he went close to the pillar and ordained the weapon, the boom, king. And the sound that came from that pillar, and truly a form came from the pillar, half man, half lion. So the king said, how is it possible? Say, pillar is in here. I do worship. So I will kill this thing and kill you afterwards. So they fought and fought. It got to dusk, 6:30 to 7 that way. So this form, half man, half lion, no? And the so demon say, I said, this is your time to die. You will die today. But don't forget, this demon, he has been blessed by one powerful demigod. And he said he will not be killed by any animal or human being. No, I said, but you know, I will never be killed by any animal or human being. Then the half lion, half man said, look at me. I am not an animal. I'm not a human being. So I can kill you. I say, yeah, I have a blessing that I will not die in the daytime and I will not die in the nighttime. So look at the time. We are in dusk. We are not in the day. We are not in the night. So you can die at this time. I say, but still, I will not die in the air and I will not die standing on the ground. So don't worry, I'm going to put you on my lap. But also, I will not be killed by any weapon, dead or alive. Say, yes, I'm going to use my claws. And the nail is not dead and it's not alive. After some time, because the hair and the nails, they are not dead, they are not alive. And also, I will not die inside the room and I will not die outside the room. This is the power I have. I say, yes, I will pull you to the gate where your head is outside and your leg inside. You will not tell me you are outside the room or inside the room. And here I'm going to kill you. So instantly, he killed that demon. So there's a special prayer for godly people if they want to protect themselves against demons and evil forces. And that special prayer is independent. So anybody who uses the pendant, I tell you, in the name of God, no demon can come close to you. That I will tell you. There might be almost a see power gun, I mean, school. Now I read about my husband, I said, I saw so, Omunya big accident to be war, sir of Anko area. No more use that bit of EB. I mean, 4B drive. And according to the woman, car has no inside that Nippon himself. Come say, Obin a driver, Muti, car accident and wine. And according to the woman, was one time of PFK. So after this incident, the husband said, what actually happened? No, see, no, when I went to Ghana, he gave me the said that they sent a protest against everything. So I want to see the man. The man came to me and I said, yes, you have been saved. Not me. This thing, me personally, I don't know what is inside. Because the people who prepare the pendant, you're from Nastiki Brahmacharis. Throughout their own life, they don't know what is woman. You don't even have sex in dream. So right from their childhood, they are celibate. The only people who have the right to prepare the pendant. So it's a very special thing. So now coming to your question. Some of you are more pendant than all of a sudden I wear black. I did a coma, I did saying anytime something tries to attack you, whether baby, I do whatever be that thing I think how it will be absorbed independent. So the next morning I be very blackish in color. See, I don't know. What it can do is say, it is just to prove to you, say, yes, there is something protecting you. And you know, I know you can use any silver shine with my white back. But now I can say, oh, you so pendant, now when you're back, who couldn't, and now you share. And now what they got to and chilling soon, very 2 to 3 minutes. Because that time I was soon enough, so if you go, the reason say, by obeying potato, you know, they say, be a walk where he has it. Now, because there's so many elemental enemies there. So what about to and children soon very 2-3 minutes, not for 102. Say I can assure you the pendant is powerful. I tell you that I can guarantee you. If there's anything I can give to you, that because I think we can give you protection as a pendant. I tell you, it is. It is very powerful. It is that one I can assure you. Say the pendant, when you have it, it is really, really powerful. There is one guy over Germany, this guy has been having spiritual marriage for more than 19 years. And also every day over you'll be better. Every day. So a woman also, pendant, I come once a man, you want to get one. So also your pendant, according to one gazelle, also happen on your Facebook messenger call. Now when you find on that phone, it will be on a very strange person. When you story, the person is German, you call Berlin or Baho. And I'll pick on your mind, or say, what can say, make our we are not separated. I did not forget war, I will still wait when you are not having it. That guy say, we are mine. Or say, my country. Say, I didn't war when you don't have it, I will come. So this guy said, hey, so you call me the next general. I have a spirit, get that you react my Megan Oka. I'm saying, yeah, keep the pendant with you all the time. That I can assure you, say, when you have the pendant, Obi to mean to a true now, Obi before going to mean now. That see the pendant and found good Yanko Ponche. Yanko Ponche, they are our company. Now, some pass will be to me, the VIA of the to be bay or the work of the men will be asked to be to pay. Now, be Nayama. It is not possible that I can guarantee that. I can. My back will be. In fact, may register transformation group or a big man or a estate developer. So say me to be a or would be of a sign. So he signed. Till the back a yard and I want a pendant or you to a panico. Or so when they go to the hospital, now pendant I yes a city jack. So the doctor now when he no say this thing is protecting your baby. So I will tell you for the pendant I have. You know, mine is here. I've been using it not because I'm afraid of something, but I use it. It is good. This is powerful. It's good for protection, no problem. Okay? But the only about Shia and now Shia because I know we be a free and say it. When the tune so just to purify my sunshine about. That's good. Okay? Thank you. And I think the new question back over how I said then Tina you can't die some time I chile the could be appointing our bayers when so die out with me as state guardian. So what have programs are my so many shows on dreams or YouTube. I'm a chile what to do. So when you have on YouTube, oh I know what type of the implications of dream by Jana. My children will be on kind of diet. We talk about dreams say one kind of diet a very bad thing. Crime bands now have a kind of diet. And I die what to do to put yourself everything is said. But at times we do have a friend like you wanted to call me and ask me of the meaning of your dreams. That I saw the and young one should say also that be or say I just the battle. No, we be a different individual. What I have a might be a little bit different from another person. Until the idea demon children back and cover will be there. But if your dream be now from me now to Yamia, then I'll be able to go into it and say, okay, what die. See naturally. But so also say also so that I point and I say there are many things my channel YouTuber. What type of implications of dreams by Jana? Open say 3 videos of my Very detailed, 2 hours. I tell so many things. Okay, thank you.
Transformation.
We transform ourselves to transform people. Helen. Okay.
About some man can send me some kikano. Me several times on me son, a tin a cososa, and a miss cososa mean Chelsea.
The same thing, omens.
Okay.
There are many ways I can go on the Yankasa.
Okay.
So, omen here, one of them say, I didn't baby since I papa say upon a whole sign ever. To say a left hand and a pulley. And our left eyelid now also a sign of negative occurrence.
Okay.
Say any fun, a positive. Okay. Question is somebody can answer. Thank you. But for money and chance for the 3. Why? We need a bonus within a 3.
Transformation.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
But you're from Harriet.
By the same? Harriet. Okay, thank you.
And Pacho, last.
Excuse me, Pacho, you know, transformation and kind of getting I don't know. And this one, why? Transformations. We transform ourselves to transform people. Transformations. We transform ourselves to transform people.
Thank you, Chairman.
Pacho, my question, Saturday, Berlin.
Okay.
Now, something about your work, one and son. This is to the benefit of the younger ones.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Obi Besra, O Fina Palano, be careful so the baby no be money background and things. In this case, my question is, so what Aqualana any part back home, what do? Do you have to cover the baby's hands and answer? What do you have to do?
Okay, thank you.
Transformation.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
We partially from the corners. My question is media need dream. My question is 2.
Okay.
First question is me soon Diana me wajuma. Na you call lunch break. Until lunch break no. Me first person me run gate no. Na kitchen hono. Tables me first one me me hona me ti. Ti me run be na mu say ti e da form. Ena me yes me matri so. Ti me yes me maso pena voice in Catherine say don't touch it. Ena me started say me bomb pie. Enti true pie bomb na me hu say e trainer dani form niba oba. Enti true pie bomb ma me nyan pie bomb mi gusu a na me hu say asanda ni bema. Ena it disappear. Enti I was very shocked that the China made a year fast now. We bomb by me when you see me. My second question is Nyanko Ponzo Obonipa said Mrs. Na Oshe Adibomo, our border year, Niakano, Nipa net was. Now, development above for a developer. Maybe someone say, Yentin for what is our problem? We have a case of what is exactly hidden. And you will be slow that if you are not one answer. Mr. Nidiuma.
Your film copy transformation.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
But the question is concerned. We are sure that you are now, we are some program.
Sure. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, but now Mrs. Stanley Bissam said, "May all Belena may come be about say who work around in 70 all that." See. Your casa me ni work and casa if you say nkrabea ɛna yɛwɔ biribi yɛfrɛ no sɛ shebrɛ nkrabea ne sɛ obi biara no woba asase wei so wokura wo star wokura wo destiny ɛno yɛ wo nkrabea na mu wonya ba asase wei so yi a ebi do wokura wo nkrabea de baabi a wakɔhyɛ ɛne deɛ ɛbɛtɔ no na a develop into shebrɛ. So many of our nkrabea is turned to our shepherd based on the manipulation of people around us. And in the whole bar, be very careful. Your young grandma yen. So be who are. I can't be said them one. Oh, Sanema, Mamma, not the Hunu Bano. But they two know one. Two know 1 week prepared in Abenapi. Now you're not yet. Those people knew the kind of repercussions or the implications that a man for betting in your muscle. And until no quiet, Okochia for no one, the Banu, or bet me said them, nothing soon, no money, nobody have been to know that a no man said but now, even a piece of the wedding night, I was in 17 years. This is the main reason why they are break. Share and Sawi on. I can cast out will be a wood year. Nini na what they say. There's in Krabia, baby, I will cry out whatever. And there's a shepherd, baby, they were said. I will break. And until no, yes, who are on Krabia there by a little bit shepherd, be one break because they will need protection. Enough. Then by for friend, I say, in some issues. In some Ubasa Suesua, I dear be a better to be an young body who is serving community from. Yes. The side we own a higher some to your work racket will be another one and Saturday. One casa one seminar, you must keep it private. But unfortunately, I can't for it. I remember I say a quay years in part, which will be a year. A very good tradition, but we need to be very careful. And you will be answered and yes. Yeah, so what you will be said any panel who said, who could be any panel where the 1 year ultimately. Briefly, a job called me village, I will do Messia, I want him to be a brony. And now, you made it back on now. The and I acquire ye. The acquire ye and now must see a mate for the young one got show ye and I say, the Sanford Santi and I chair. The Gusa chair, I'm also there 4 or 5 will be a few number. But mine be an hour or hen, meaning say, if you go a village give it to us, not mine, your hen was a village. Or chair will be an old man, but we do have one chairman, and not at all. And let me tell. The Oman only mature who no matter so, if your person of will be a beauty, no, or Mutuano, they didn't even make the attempt to breathe out in the Sabai. And not show. The free Yena say a pocket now, baby, and I didn't come on. And a bar was now almost a financial. I saw it. Now, now, yes, or shall ring to be what is right, no. Obi be an other side and son about 2 so I did be a year or better through. But because maybe Yanko Mama will protect you, so he was afraid to shake my hand. And the idea is simply be a didn't say, we are Penimumpa, be very careful. And then Sabia near Chium. Say, or call the eastern part of the world. Yes, only Panzamunchian, or much I say. They know, Omni. Or call China, Tibet, and Bangladesh, India, no man. Also, with the Tadio, India, anywhere. Also, I didn't know what's the Buddha or the better one of us. Also, no, because on better than some becomes they know the kind of energy you can transfer and share. So, what was that to be say more? They must say, oh, back into work, be careful, say, I'm on for Papa one, and you'll be an already over and need you hanging. Okay? And I want to show you when I saw Papa because I want to assume myself. Okay? The message. When you be our one among fair Baba on chain, I know I'm very careful because we'll be one us and me every idea of it made. I say, when you story, a idea is all the time. ata do bi ba wo be na kind no na nipa no ba bi pot yes go gina no onye do ba bia yeah because okota man even they are very careful some of these things you know akoye mysteries na ye nyame asese yen ya ga na fo no your tradition your culture o you be able to trade o tradition properly ebe ka ko lando ba bia some of these things mo what ya se na o mo ni adako abrofo na mo hu mo sa mo ka so mo na mo ko ahu whether you be out there or more, you understand, say they believe in metaphysical things that so yena nyango point ya tomwa ya what culture sa no mayam tum bibiem. Yes, Africans, you're a big problem. But your normal PA is just so much. Shade nyango point my haban ni mia to me womb. Ye kay ni nyina ba mo ba ba bia ye bia I hold Suto wa even the Anyano. So the idea is said, we don't value what we have. This is the problem. The message, make sure so I'm trying to think it here. Men for will be us out. Nancy, I remember the very last day I don't hear Jimas and Meba. You remember back or no according to and a back or something back by them, right? Because or can't say and truly, I was saying, I'm so said, is it 11 years? On Mancasa or so a bayful. And yet, what kind of I know I saw it. So, me catch a woman and say, on carbon, and I'm a banner and a penny FM, so much transit. So, now me beside I know 7. No, I agree, but I told this very one, I was shocked. I can't know 11 years, but who knows will be about 7 years. Now, some are can. So, we decided to almost free or so free. Touchment here. No. I'm from Kranzana baby. I'm go far away. But or can baby or go meeting. Or say every night or free or ever touchment here. I got to know by 11 years when the touchment here ever. Now me say, only him for a camp. And I know say camp Biano, you cannot have more than 49 families. I can body 49. Eben was there. The Bible and the head. He was there. Now I'm saying, why the camel? No go wedding, no go wedding, no go wedding. Now I'm saying, what can I do? See, you're very careful. Some of these things, you might be a story, will be character. But I tell you, say, it is the truth. That I remember by Wednesday, may you do Tuesday, and I 13 for them. And I probably buy. Now, someone up and a person. Now I'm saying, then on me. Also, Omoko Bola so good. Now, according to them, I mean, them I mean, I had my house Saudi Arabia, yes. Now, the company said, oh, Ghana. A woman of the man, Miss Mondayese, or very serious. There be a Miss Mondayese, like that. One day, you know, because woman, there be a Miss Mondaya, who very serious now, who was yesterday. So, one last was say, and also, I know more Bola, so I know omodity. The other man was saying, what did I say? But if we could want to go did no, I said, I'm not saying you could want to go did the one of my ministers said, A, B, and B, and they had a banner. The tree on the crank in Saudi, and I'll say, Mrs. I can find a banner. Now, dear all book, and the Omoye. I could say, Mr. Moko, I'm going to say, a cock really panam. Now, the Nipan, when I'm wearing them, or say, you kuno. Oh, 11 years old. And remember, the permanent as normally I don't record this thing because it will be 117 and your goods are very recorded, and you're right. And moreover, and your goods will be fierce and now the 12 thing, but the money in America. Or can say, baby, the agenda and the friend is that they say, Omra, so I'm going to take a craving. Now, I'm supposed to be paying on your moko. And no chance all the good you know, upon minimum, or see minimum. Hey, like that, the woman was very shocked. And Gophobia owns so mother. The small girl was mentioning their names, and then start what by the moon. Now, we didn't just Uncle Cassay, because see, we need a home master, wouldn't name. Now, what the two others would you go when you must say they can fight you. So, what the other said, when you do be a with my job and a free. Did they make up this year and say, oh, I cry here. Now, up and one again said, be a million years. And you'll be on your other moon anymore. Or we are who know before to move as my baby. But we are home. And so people are very pretentious. So they know cartons. But But I was only see one, two, and I was number one. Yes, I know what you want to see. Why? And I was so young. A sign of embarrassment. So when you're very careful, they will manipulate through some people and embarrass you. So when you want you're very careful, you're the best fan so so a very good so also Diana and ya in terminal bombay. Ye are very limited. You do me a kit but God Almighty is very powerful. The idea people never name God can intervene. So my advice is also that you be an idea to know no one knew your man to move from one yamia. Come put the gen up home by number of Mr. Wadi, papa, my name is Bonia, my name Parma. The dream is a sign of an embarrassment. So when you're very careful, be dear beat, I be in time to swap it out, so never be a big embarrassment for you. Seeing your own head down there, I see not any move for. Meaning say, and you won't be the bay, and I shall. To be very careful. Why? And I will say, I'll be before them crying high. So I said, with the piano, you beside, never by them and bravo. And you know, I'm going to take care of them and they can. Now make us a share. You cannot kill an innocent person without having repercussions. For when you took from parables that before, Bribiana will be best for the engine and Nipana walk, a bit my wife and Papa no. Young Casayamu, the best for conditions who age in you. You cannot pour the blood of an innocent person and not attract case. Check. Me politician. But if you need history, kakra. Oko Ghana, ye normal P. My Ghana, ye Ghana, no coming from an after 60 years. I go so one time when you are Ghana, can do so. Can number one. 60 years ago, and I come from a year, motor week. Oh no, my what the Papa was getting what happened to him? You killed him. You cannot kill an innocent person and then not attract cases. And then you're gonna Libya. Gaddafi, this man was performing wonders there. The Western have to go behind some crooked people and money you look at for, but they killed him. Go to Libya and see what is happening there. You cannot pour the blood of an innocent person and not be cursed. And before that's what is actually affecting us. But if we be sorry, we will find ways and means to eliminate the person. You cannot kill somebody who have good intentions. Somehow the person is innocent. Maybe I know why bad things be, but innocent. When you pour such a blood, you have to go through cares. Hey, Mama said, they didn't get a guy and get to come back to the room. They know who come hard and Hakayemi. Maybe I'll come in swoops and I was it. And so the balance you have a mother. Motin so by it will never be flooded. Okon cry and soup by no baby for me, and so a Fibiano and sweet fireball. Say your case, what will cost this? Chloe, a taxes, nobody of mine. Everybody will pay tax. Wouldn't even when the tax may a chua. Kaya the ball, the next person will think well. Ghana and paying for one in a Tazunutia. The American Bessiane said, you cannot take the life of an innocent person without attracting cases. And many of the African countries in India said, yeah, because of some greedy nature, binti. But will eliminate the person. So somehow or the other, Africa beyond there's some serious repercussions. And yes, politicians on my power now. The difficulty people are going through. They speak from their heart. As if some bad China or to be the see the kind of promises that you from the MPP government. Now go and see what is in Ghana. NDC, almost they don't yet to know, almost by Mayor West. They are one. They are all one. Obey. When they come there, they will do worse things. So babies, I must say, what is happening? What is happening? To the point that they say must be a president. He is always naming university against some people. And people are talking about it, he will not do anything on foul. See, let me be sincere with you. No matter the good intention they have in opposition, when they get the power, something influences them to the point that they don't do anything positive. Because I just say, Obia, somebody who is scared to go and face his death. And yes, sir, it is very surprising said they are paying for being more drink. To the point of Kobe, a month for entity from a motor. By your biggest card for ya, you can understand the people that say the are one of the ordinary road. You can just say when you're right. But they are doing it. Omoba Mukruma had the BI Kamasano. I go back and say, Nagana Grand in so far. Young Pessican of engineers who have no more design. They will not think like that. Because in the area of they will be saying. Now, all besides our penny means say, when you be or better, to only power be one and a they don't think about the country. So somehow or the other, we are going to some chaos. And yes, I am Picasso. Ghana, ye be PIA, ya sa simple. I have flowers ahead of my bottle. Millions of dollars. I want in so. I Ghana free a flower. Now we come and land there down. Flower. Among 4 years export. And we come baby on chocolate the name or more cheese. So I was asking the man, but how could you go away? I asked him, say, I'm going to go no. Cocoa, the Abacuncia, answer the best chocolate. Ghana, you go call me, the chocolate. So maybe some say, I so I will hope. But you see, it takes only one person to take things. Mama to quiet on. And someone in Mobutu and Foreign Casa. Politicians, they are actually playing on the intelligence of the vulnerable. So I don't know. Yeah, vampire said be a decent person, somebody who is not guilty. And the panel won't go on tears with my son no man. So we can also support such a person. Yes, idea. Tell your team away. I know many of you here, Samoti Mukuru can you me a wakamonye. Obeso be asking ya okay, can some show Abraka woo crow. Go on to Quensa. But baby, one honye. Because you couldn't want to be also a doctor. The whole year is sick of being an over 2 months apart. We see as a the one I'm on to go break. Then I know we have to blame our leaders. The message so be as to know vampire. Almost been taken up on the Ghana company for the Yansan and money in because oh Yansan, you won't do that. To a point to say, Mosuku Granum Grand Nebuchadnezzar. By opinion, when a power as MP penny among 100,000 Ghanaians there, for Kotoka. Our brother area now of fear over. Suku then convincing. Not the Yanyan service. Oh, young Tom, Nipan on about the power to the cow on the Godman. But unfortunately, Tanyan son getting any hope. The I'm going to make you be a one. You have continued a vampire, saying, I'm going and show him by force. So that they can reason well. Yes, I have it. And no, I mean, but you have been buying them. They are big guys. Now, more than no more politicians. They are more. I'm telling you, there's a special help for politicians. People have been given a mandate to rule, and they abuse it. There's a special help for them. They were quiet. I said, yes, I'm telling you. They said, my by a year like today is supposed to be shopping day. Go there and buy, bring your receipt, they'll pay. I said, I'm not buying anything. No, I won't do that. Remember, my mom phone translate music. No, I won't do that. So I'll buy for myself, but I am not using anybody's money. When we come in and start in the economy, I said, no, that's good for me. A young man, I'm a young man. I'm not a business guy, but I like here. Let me be here. You know. So the attorney said, young man, pay to me. On the sun on kind of free. Because I will hope. So we have to kind of no more cost of money for crew now for you crew one. Yeah, too sad. Sad the one way you go and look at the group of Kobio. But I continue and cheer never go. One day, we will say, why a penny more we? Well, you know, we have had to be near you. It's no one what our group. Kurawatima light in Pono, you cannot even capitalize on light, say, 24 hours light. I had not play it. Now you're free a year ever. You're free Berlin ever. You're for more training. Now, electric trains, the gun and I want out in my doom and I do like. I love you on a single beer, Muslim beer. Not OBS, and I'm saying yes. Yeah, we don't think. Huh? Yes. Can you come on and idea or 2 over there say like to be a tuner? And the woman again later. It's very sad. Anyway, yeah, and now Obi be about financial issue. Yes, it has to be very important. Like I said, when we call Berlin, I taught something about Sebia, Uye Juma, Usika Samunye. Then I went to me, today I will teach that. But no crap, I'm going to say, you'll be here, so they beat me, the way I am. There are some people among us, in their previous life, they have so much money. They abuse the money. According to laws of nature, you have to go through poverty to see how it is to be a poor person. So you be a bit baby. Name them as transformation members, all the secret we know to guide people. Say, yeah, yes, so yes, we will teach that today.
Transformations.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
Let me say that I'm making a beautiful and a rightful point. Today we will grab it. Daddy, what's your famous agency? Now, Uche, this Uchia will be someone. It takes a lot of things out from your hands. Daddy, you're not your mom for you. I say no. And about the pan, you be ya, you bet me. And you're clear about it. Ya can. You're more mobile. About the pan, you bet me.
Thank you.
Transformations.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
The bachelor from Imani Kwedu may represent Spain. Spain treasure. Me bachelor, me question the grandma daddy. Me so die sometime be. Na makoto fish. Me to fish na wompuano. Na Ghana me fie no. Me my girl be dying with fie. So the be ya me ni fie. Any paper of your been calling the school abane again. And I said, because I obey prayer for one at the door. Into Diane Mono, no most every two fish and I'm a friend. Your friend up and I get your friend up now. And I'm saying, I'm rare home. No, yeah, fish meaning, and Papa Napa could be only at 10 to say, well, yeah, and where do maybe not what you try them, but you try fish and be a good 5 Panya, you used to feed. Yeah, the fish or the fish in the boom. All of a sudden, that fish not can't see anymore, not echo. Wow. And I was just starting now. Fish no never when I'm so bad, the animal and go. And you dry fish now, or yes, says I'm not cotton soon. In fact, many say I'm a home pie, but still I'm in Tiasi.
Hello. Transformation.
We transform ourselves to transform people.
A friend Kujo. Me can't cool no, but and you maybe see what life man, Mintias, but per se, me come daddy. It's me church and I say, one, or 2 questions. One, maybe my dad not pay myself for the beginning. I feel me know how no per se addition. But me so me need no adwin bone e koba na san go on wan so me get ma oba opeso chia me but chia me person man boss so dey opeso chia me nsem me so inipa o meeting ka se me chia na no say no dey na meet me aya fa ɛna two me ne me wife wɔ yɛko paa ɛne menka daadaa o nti ase ni nti ma adeɛ bi koraa meka ɛde nti ase bra na bɛyɛ ntɔkwa nti me ne tɔ nti ne nkasa like adeɛ ase ha me a nti me nka because ɛba ko pii ntɔkwa no oni me nkyɛn na ase a na ɔbaa me nkyɛn ɔbaa yɛ no mesondaeɛ bi mbaba mesondaeɛ no ne kyerɛ sɛ me ne nya problem a kyerɛ sɛ mapam na ɔmfi me nkyɛn kyerɛ sɛ daeɛ mu no ne easy enti no after saa de ne me ne yɛ nice paa o after saa daeɛ no so me ne yɛ ko yɛ.
So, also when you're a registered member, so after today, you become a registered member. Okay? Akamako, yes.
Yeah, transformation.
Yeah.
I'm watching the Akumiaset. Me member, but my father introduced me the bar.
Okay, Akumia, you're welcome.
Thank you. Watching my question, and he said, the same who said, it did to a war instance, so a war on the parcel, and you have a question number one. And question number two. I said, I have a topic now, we say over trading, and he said, Sika, Yenya, and I said, Yepe. Because say you can be on man, Abia, Ubons were better now, a Kumuha, Ache, Abia ye. And so one say, Ubi, and so a bit within Abia a short time, no, Nipano, about the Sika, Ache, Abia, almost over 2 months, I say before I hate with him for upon everything the Messica Crache, Abia, over to the same Sika, and I say,
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so far we have a few questions, and first one is after Yacha Chanko, somewhere we know, what do we do about it? In fact, some of us, the problems we're going through in our lives, can be terms. Some of these occurrences, Yacha Chanko, some are difficulties. So, what do we do to change these things? There are many ways of doing that. The BN say, yeah, what transformation might use? So first thing they say, when you know, say you have a problem, it means that your problem is half solved. So now we know, say, even shaking people's hand and just the knowledge of this alone is a solution. And the children will be very careful not to go and be doing that anyhow. So answer nobody can hear now, what do we do? Now we've taught ourselves how to prepare Obiaba soup, how to prepare some oil, some special fasting days, you have to fast and all that. What you will do is able to like reverse some of these negative things in your life. So right now we are on the process of solving some of these problems. We will be out by Conchina, there was special days for fasting. We are eating a yeast and of a funeral. Maybe so you'll be out to be prepared to be able soup and oil and some of few things here. And also bit to me, I have one. And I be for that in Kenya. When I sit, I talk to people one-on-one. That is the time I'll be able to know exactly what is your problem and what are the things to recommend to help you to solve the problem. Okay, to be one individual problem, but there are some people I need to find out myself that okay, this is the cause of the problem. And because of this, we whom are able to say, oh, you're not correct. Okay, then I meet me. Do this, do that, everything will be fine. So we will get to that point at the tail end of our discussion where we have to sit down and talk to individual members. And obviously, okay, also the about fishes now. The two later they joined together. One was like a snake, It's a sign of say, oh, and for baby, you as a person. And among all these your friends, one of them is just disguised as a friend, but is a very serious enemy. And from this person, you're gonna have issues with all these friends And at the end of the day, nobody cares about which any will leave you. So you have to be very careful with the people who claim to be so friends and so close to you. Because one of them is just a pretender, a disguised figure who's just there to cause problems and so that you lose many things that you're supposed to have in your life. Okay, thank you. Anna, will be our time. Somebody who hates you from the workplace. Now they plan our time. Or so for crime, you know you with the or so can some chose. So they will more person what you we've told you. So will be with bad intention about so some man. You panic to say one day. So men can say you panic if you want to me money. Will be a chill on power some nanny panic what share with them all the time. Definitely the person don't have good intentions, so be very careful. Okay. At times, I say a die also. We are powerful, say on your powerful sing and couple. You say Jenny, I remember our temple. Okay. And into no so being powers of the person is fine ways and means that you will play Jumon. Or no other kind of hope or the answer. Yes, or do it. But be very careful. You are not so powerful, say, will be poison in you. I shall see as soon as you maintain it. But the way no man, me fees on permanent side. The work of the and then you have to be very cautious in life. Why? And abuse now can be about our 7 say, tell me about no issues. Add to the point, say, also I now your banner. I say, all that. And you see, our rare, we go to who remove. When you say, a nipper be no by a battle. Yes, it be a pain. So definitely there are going to be issues. But we should be so mature to your point, say, we should be able to accommodate those problems. Say, the pastor and Eddie. And until all the time, my master say, so when you be here, now when you say mistake be a bad. When you say mistake, yes, you are the first person to forgive. At times, I know meeting, so by now, Bema, I have no problems back because we don't communicate enough. For instance, they didn't know what they were told. Because you know what being so I with the unbound to end of their tour. The person is not in your mind. So in relationship, we need to communicate. I see a casa, you see a income. And I hear say, Nyansa you not need a team. The idea and I have to know Casa. You must almost be to me some ideas and suggestions to be a bit more warm than a person. By money, you see, I didn't pass over my video when Jimmy on the go near me and a demo no near my day. The Nyansa Benno. A banner, our rent will be problematic all the time. And now about waiting about Paul Casa and the Bian will lose your phone, and now my meal will never go in a car and neighbor. Already we go for that. And to be two the issue back. Did the American say, dear Ben Itchy, only your banner 20 minutes here. You guys need to communicate. So once and from Subia, one of those and from Swabano, you are the first person to forgive. Baby boy or no, once a while they be a TL. Okay? And I won't worry why you say our railway and whatever happens in the our religion. Some of these petty things. I see what girlfriend and boyfriend demo. They manage it. Oh, for powerful fra, Montanancha, yeah. Obey to grab mistake and obey you at them. The same scenario you see our room panel our yaya. So it means the younger son. The way I am among what from the beginning, a true baby and a phone, the BB and a only issue. The master, the way I offer girlfriend, boyfriend, or you be a young fellow. Young more than a group point to say a war bar, a yoke, and no year. No, or you be a very young thing. You need one, they are communicating. A banner side idea before the bed ever before. Because see, who will be because of don't hear. And for your crown or come my warrior, if you say, yeah, they are very important. Now you're more than I am to me now. Why? Yes, I but yes, I be our Arabian issues. The main difference is that 10 or 100 there. Maybe come out some crowd on thing when you couldn't ask them, not a call number for them, when you didn't answer the call number for the banner side and for peace in back. Obi wa ne de na tan se mo de no. Bo be sem of the bon not ne de no sa. China bi no na wa go jaware na say e asuma si sa. The mesre, enya ware a say very smart, very intelligent. Ne hu se obi bia na be pese be ware. Ana ye bet na ware ase. So the be ya yen go gonya issues bi asa. Why? And o say a dintro. So e wo insunsan so be yes. See, Makanda say Yahuwah based on the constellation of the stars. Said o shepherd city you would dear ye the mama a bit me out one more to me. Sunday would dear the more among thee. Many of us, a dinner ye to ye, you're changing. Don't forget, say a woman a year too, Dino. Your whole ceremony, you will feel Bemana sided by, Obana sided by, and by important as your money, you all that. So the name that was given to you was announced in the Universal Record Book. Only the said, you know, when the Tennessee was there wasn't any ceremony, there wasn't any ritual. A banner sign would have negative implications. To your Madia, D are very important. You're very careful, say, I'm going to D and Ebenez and Bonnie Elwon performance. The answer now, because of a catastrophe, they need a dinner. We should never ever use that name to do anything spiritual. They say, I saw them when they will be a umpire, body and umpire. Would dear over the mound. Sadness is hope. And yet, they want change your wishes here. And maybe I can't nowadays, but would dear Gassa, ya record or Universal Record Book be a dear, you what, but important at the moment, you think. But I know many people, and I'm watching the open old name, Nukrana, or the premise out. Young fellows, now we didn't read them out. What was the ceremony? See, the way I will be a Baha, a local home officer, you will record or you will data in the universe, the same data is there. So the universe knows you with this name because that day it was recorded. And what changing within. So all the blessings that are supposed to come to that name is not coming to you because you are not that person. So why have only so it is very important to say to your medicine, I am very careful. So I don't know what changing within because of the 70 years. Oh yeah, they be a fact soon so much you should dinner the mouth because things are very important. And obviously Sikayenya and I pay. The attorney said two things. Sika Yenya. Two things. You need to show some effort. And your effort will bring in some returns. But the returns will be out there in your pay. Because we be out here this year. Yeah, 1 year. But some of you savings of say 100 Ghana cedis. Will be 10,000 Ghana cedis. Will be 2,000 Ghana cedis. At the end of the year, so be Uncle Bank no go Unisika. Yes, you are going to the bank to take your 1 year salary, but will be out in the pay. Huh? In them way. There must be save €100, will be a 200, will be a 500. You keep your sika now for the whole year. You say corner go you sika or bank. Yes, your savings in for 1 year. But who save €100, will be save €500, so you will not expect to say the same sika on this benefit. So in this life, a continuation of our previous life. Some of us here, we planted so much in our previous life. So some of us we're still in. So this time we have to go through some difficulty. Yes, you have to put in some effort. Then the effort that we'll put in, and then merit some of the pious credits away your previous life. Anything anybody you know in the group. The same thing as will be a and he said, we are doing something very carry forward. The blessing that comes to you, be our who side toward that. And you know, men can say to go out there and go and work. But men know why being said, well, do my dinner, and don't quite the big about themselves. No, you have to deserve it before you can get it. Until you are better 30, 40 years. But all besides the Canadian hour, adding you. Obi about 3-4 years to see a Japan or Ghana has to carry forward. In a say, we year, but was so much award 200. What did you know? 10 better at all. Obi the only 20 now, so at the end of the day, the person will be having much. In this Sicano, Yenya, the winner. But then and you'll be there the beginning of the pay because it is based on our previous life. There are some people in this life, they will never sweat in their life. Because